Hello and welcome to this quick overview of Volapay. My name is Sajid and I will be guiding you through some of the features of what Volapay has and hopefully to showcase some of the ways that we can add value to your business. So with Volapay, we've created the financial center for all your business needs. We have intuitive business accounts which can help you manage your business and scale as it grows. We have smart corporate cards, which are built from the ground up for all your business needs. We have money remittances, which can allow you to do local and international transfers at much cheaper rates than your bank. And we give to you the ability to draw down on a credit line seamlessly through the platform to really help you supercharge the growth of your business. But of course, that isn't all of it. The business accounts we offer come attached with some very powerful financial software that allows you to really control and manage your entire company's spend. It allows you to control and enforce the limits that you have per employee, per transaction, per budget. It lets you monitor and track all your online and SaaS spending. And it even lets you set individual rules for individual cards that you set for your employees. And everything that you do through a payout platform integrates seamlessly into your accounting software. So your accounting team will love you. They won't have to spend hours per week chasing receipts and invoices and then manually reconciling them to your bank statement. Now, as you land on the platform, this is what you see as an administrator. This is your dashboard. This is what is happening across your company. You will see the two wallets here. One is for money remittances. You can see you can either load in money in SGD or you can load in money in USD. And this is a really great feature for a lot of our clients which do USD remittances. And so they don't lose any money because there isn't any cross conversion happening. Second wallet here is for your cards balance. And this is the wallet which your employees will pull from when they're using their company cards to make any kind of spending within the company at all. And the really great thing about Volapay is we have a lot of generous cashback offers. So any spending that you do on your corporate cards qualifies for cashback. And the system updates dynamically to show you the cashback that you have earned that month and which you can redeem against your card balance at any time during the month. Applying for credit is incredibly easy and seamless. You can hop onto our credit section here, the credit tab, and you can see that you can request a credit increase at any time. As you're using the platform, all you need to do is just provide us the new limit that you're after and the reason, and we will get back to you within 2 to 3 business days. You can head off into your wallet section, which will showcase to you the physical card that you have. It will also show to you the money that you have left over on this card to spend. If you need more money, you can select the request funds section, and you'll be able to do that from your company. Virtual cards is another area where you can see all the virtual cards that have been issued to you by your company. Virtual cards are essentially digital debit cards. And just like your digital debit cards, they will have the unique identifier. And like your physical cards, you can also freeze and block them anytime to manage some security settings. Now, as an administrator, you can also then see the virtual cards that have been issued across your entire company. So these are all your employees and these are all the virtual cards that have been given to them. And you can see visually very clearly and very quickly how much money they're spending and how much they have left over each month. And this is also a great page for you to be able to see if there is any double spending happening within your company. So you can see virtual cards are either named by the vendor for which they're used to pay, or they're used for specific transactions. So if you're seeing a vendor card with the same name, so let's just say, for instance, Google, that's a pretty good indication that there might be double spend happening somewhere in your company where 2 different employees are spending for the same software service. And a great way for you to actually manage that and limit your spending. You can also see the physical cards that have been issued across your company and how the money is being spent. If you click on the physical card, you're able to see how the employees are spending their money. This is the area where you can actually set aside how rules apply to these physical cards. So these are rules deciding how this card will top up for each calendar month. So for instance, this card is topping up 10 SGD for any miscellaneous spending, 10 SGD for any employee welfare related spending, and so forth and so on. And so this is a great way for you to manage how employees are using their card. So for instance, if we decide this person no longer needs employee welfare spending for $10, maybe they need it for $20, and this could be for eating or budgeting like that. You can click it and the system updates in real time seamlessly. You can also set aside settings. So we want this person to only use this card for domestic transactions. So we're not going to let them use this card for international ATM withdrawals, and we're not going to allow them to do cross-border transactions. only for domestic spend within the country of operation. And so this is a really great feature for you to actually control individual card and how they're being used by your employees. If you move into the money remittance feature, very similar to how you're doing it with your banking provider, except there are two main benefits to doing it through Volapay. Firstly, you save much more money with us, and that's because our FX rates will be much better than what your bank is charging you. We don't add margins anywhere near what your bank is charging, and of course, our fees per transaction are much lower than your bank. Making payments are incredibly easy. You just select a payment, and the system will execute that payment and as it hits your beneficiary's bank account. And of course, the second main benefit is that everything that you do on our platform will automatically integrate into your accounting tab, which may or may not be happening with your banking provider. So budgets are a really great way to control on a granular level how money is being divided in your company and being utilized. You don't have to use this feature, but if you do so, you can use how the money in your card or in your company wallet can be decided and utilized per team or per project. So if we go into the sales section here, we can quickly see how much this sales team is spending per month. We can see how much limit they have upon them per month. We can see the people that are part of this sales budget and how much money they have left on their physical or virtual cards. We can also see the rules that are applicable to the people in this sales budget. So we can see the rules here that this person here is topping up 100 SGD and 100 SGD for both their physical and virtual cards each month from the sales budget. And we can alter these rules at any time. Incredibly seamless and easy for you to manage, and everything happens instantly. And if you head over to the accounting tab, you're then able to see transactions which are filtered through for reconciliation, either on your cards ledger or bill pay ledger. So for easy access, your accounting team can see which GL codes have been attached to this transaction, and these GL codes come through from your accounting software. They'll be able to see the receipts that have been uploaded, and they'll be able to see the description made by the employees of why they made those transactions. And so really creating a really good corporate hygiene about audit trails and responsibility around company spending. And if your accounting team is happy with it, they click OK, and everything moves through various levels of review until it is eventually bulk synced with your accounting software. So that was a really quick overview of the Volapay platform. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please do reach out to us on our company website. Reach out to us to book in a demo or have a chat with us. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope to speak with you soon.